Hi friends, how are you? Friends, in this video I will discuss about love, friendship, mutual understanding and peace in the world. And I'm hopeful that you would like my this video wherever you live in the world. Friend, as you know that everybody created by Almighty God is very beautiful, and we should love everybody without discrimination of religion, territory, whether male or female. And we should spread the peace in the world. We should do to eliminate poverty from the world, and we should do our best to eliminate the evils from the world. And I'm willing to make some videos, some teleplays, some dramas on this topic through my channel for international world. So I will request you please subscribe my this channel so that my video will reach to you very soon. I need subscriber from America. I need subscriber from UK. I need subscriber from India. I need subscriber from Pakistan. I need subscriber from Middle East. I need subscriber from Australia, Spain, wherever you live in the world. I need a lot of subscriber so that whenever I make some video, those will spread the peace message in the world will reach to you very soon. And I request once again, please subscribe my this channel and also press the bell icon so that when will I make the production for you, that will reach to you very soon. And always spread the message of peace in the world. Okay, thank you very much. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.